Do you really need a 1000 horsepower crate engine kit? Probably not, but Mopar went and built one anyways. This is the Hellephant, a 426 cubic inch, 7-liter supercharged Hemi V8 crate engine that'll go on sale in the first quarter of 2019. To learn more about the Hellephant at this year's SEMA show and the car Mopar fitted this engine to, head over to TFLcar.com by clicking on the link in the description below. The Hellephant makes 1000 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque straight out of the box. That's 293 horsepower more than the SRT Hellcat engine, and Mopar had to do quite a good bit of massaging to get there. Mopar bored out the cylinders to 4 1/8 inches and lengthened the cylinder stroke to 4 inches. A large, high-efficiency supercharger boosts the 7-liter engine to ultimately achieve that 4-digit horsepower figure. Mopar took the valve covers from the new Challenger Hellcat Redeye and the valve train, including valves, locks, and retainers from the SRT Demon. Plus, Mopar installed a special high-lift camshaft and custom-forged pistons. The Hellephant crate engine includes the water pump, flywheel, front sump oil pan, supercharger with throttle body, fuel injectors, and coil packs. According to Mopar, the kit's designed to fit pre-1976 street and off-road vehicles. To make a turnkey install easier, the installation kit also comes with a powertrain control module, PCM, power distribution center, engine wiring harness, chassis harness, accelerator pedal, ground jumper, oxygen sensors, charge air temperature sensors, and a fuel pump control module. Of course, being a SEMA reveal, Mopar had to put the Hellephant engine into something special, so they created this, the 1968 Dodge Supercharger concept. The main focal point of this concept is that Hellephant engine under the hood. However, Mopar added some custom touches that incorporate elements from Dodge's modern Challengers as well. There's the supersized hood scoop from the Dodge Demon, a wide body kit a la Hellcat wide body. The wheels should also look familiar. Those are taken directly from the current Challenger Hellcat, though the rears have been upsized to 12 inches wide, so you can have a fighting chance of putting down all 1000 horsepower. Take a look at the taillights and you'll see that the exhaust actually goes through them. Those 5-inch pipes are taken from the Alfa Romeo Stelvio, believe it or not. The interior is full of custom touches as well, but the most important thing you'll find there is a good old-fashioned 6-speed manual transmission. That transmission is the T6060 manual from the Challenger Hellcat, which means a Hellcat transmission can handle 1000 horsepower. Pretty good to know. Mopar has not told us how much this kit will cost, but don't expect it to be cheap. The 707 horsepower Hell Crate engine costs $19,530, so we expect the Hellephant to cost more than 20 grand, all said and done. We'll have exact pricing information closer to the crate engine's on sale date in early 2019. Now that we know more about the Hellephant, we want to hear what kind of crazy vehicles you guys want to see this engine in. Drop a comment down below with your ideas about where you'd like to see this 1000 horsepower monster. Thanks for watching.